Hey, so you want super high credit lines, business credit cards at 0% interest? There are 4 key factors to make this happen. Number 1 is a low risk LLC, not just any LLC, but a low risk, one that banks consider to be less risky. They're automatically going to give you more money, right? And there's steps to do this properly. Step number 2, a Dun & Bradstreet number. Now, while that's not actually proven to give you higher lines of credit, when banks look up your business and they see that you've taken the time to at least get that, then it just makes them feel more comfortable. And in some cases, I mean, they could give you high limits depending on the bank that you're going to, right? Step number 3, credit. You have to have perfect credit. I don't care what you see out there and they tell you, in order to get the maximum amount of credit lines and the limits that you're looking for, you can have nothing negative on your credit reports, all 3 bureaus, right? And your personal credit profile on there, because this is what they're going for, is you have to have at least $10,000 to $20,000 in credit limits on your personal profile, which a lot of people don't tell you that either, right? So step number 4 is you got to go to the major banks first. So Chase, Bank of America, US Bank, those 3. And here's why. Because they have, like, for example, Chase has a 524 rule, right? If they see more than 5 accounts open in the next 24 months or the last 24 months or 24 months in total, they will deny you automatically, right? So you don't want to go to little credit unions and little things to get these credit lines, because Chase is a big bank. Their relationship is going to mean the most to you, right? Same with Bank of America and US Bank. And they all have different strategies to get these super high limits. So those 4 steps right there, take them, use them, let me know how it works, and message me if you want our help. We're happy to help you out, and just let me know.